G'day guys, Greg here. Now, today I am off to Domino's because for 1 week only they've got a special pizza, the sweet and saucy pizza. Sounds pretty interesting and I am wondering what's on it. So how about we whip on in, grab one, suss it out and see what the sweet and saucy pizza is like. Let's go! Alright, here we go, the sweet and saucy pizza from Domino's. $15 this cost. And this pizza was actually invented by someone called Riley in the Innisfail store up there in northern Queensland. It's pretty interesting, isn't it? The people create pizzas in the actual Domino's now and they'll give it a test run, see how well it goes. Anyway, I mean, it does have a bit of weight about it. I've got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. All right, well, that says 600, oh, it's about 700 grams. Now, the box usually weighs about the 120 gram mark, so you're looking at about 580 grams for this pizza. Whew, that's quite a feat. Anyway, I can't wait to have a look at it, so let's suss it out. Whoa! That looks interesting. Yeah, I wonder what this orange stuff is. Now, the sweet and saucy pizza is rasher bacon, seasoned chicken, mozzarella cheese, Frank's red hot chili original sauce, hickory barbecue sauce swirl, red onion, oregano, pepperoni, baby spinach, and fresh tomato. All right, well, that must be the chicken then. And, well, I can see the oregano, yeehaw! Some baby spinach there. Not too sure where the pepperoni is. The Frank sauce must be on there, and you can see the swirl there as well. And you can definitely see the bacon. Now, will there be any cheese stretch? No, but it's feeling very wet and soggy underneath. Ooh, that must be the sauciness. It's leaked through to the base. Yeah, but I mean, it looks all right and it's smelling pretty good. Can't wait to give it a taste. Wonder if all the base is really soggy or if it's just at one side. Oh, this underneath feels a little bit drier. Anyway, let's go. Oh, I found some pepperoni. Wow. Oh, there's something on there that's really bitter. I think it's the Frank's hot sauce. Oh, it leaves this really bitter flavor in your mouth, and yeah, it's just all I'm getting is bitterness and a bit of heat. Actually, it's quite warm. It's not too bad. It's about as spicy as the fiery Angus burger. But still, it didn't mention heat, although it does have Frank's hot sauce on it, so what do you expect? But I'm not really getting sweetness. I wonder if it's this sauce. No, that's like a barbecue hickory. Don't know where they get the sweet from, because I'm not getting any sweetness in this, which is good because I was thinking, oh, goodness, sweet and saucy. Really don't want to eat a sweet pizza, but the fact that it's lied to us is a bonus. Oh. Oh boy. Man. Oh, I'm struggling even finishing one piece on this. It has got this real bitterness. It tastes like the Frank's hot sauce, but they put too much on or not enough. But there's supposed to be a sweetness which would have nicely counteracted that, but I can't taste any sweetness, and it just makes it sour and bitter. Oh. Oh, boy. Oh. This is really hard to eat. Oh, man. But the one thing that it is saucy. I mean, just look how much sauce is on that piece. It's pretty much all sauce. Except those bits of rasher bacon. They're not saucy. But unfortunately, they're covered in it. Which means my next bite is going to be bitter, soggy, and not sweet enough. Oh! 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 Oh, God! Oh, someone save me! Oh! 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 Oh, this is appalling! Oh, no, what have I done? Oh! Oh! Oh, God! Oh, my taste buds are dissolving. Anyway, I think I've had enough of it to now, what score is getting out of 10? Well, value-wise, $15 for this pizza. Well, it did have some weight in it and weighed, an extra 60% heavier than a burger yesterday I paid $14 for. I mean, value-wise, I think it's all right. Flavour-wise, oh, mate. Instead of spending $15 on this pizza, you might as well just put the $15 into the toilet and flush it. Because, I mean, either way, this is going in the same direction. Mate, the flavour of this was just horrible. It was bitter, it was sour, it was spicy, but the flavour, oh, mate. I don't think I've ever had a pizza so disgusting in my life. But surely it couldn't be that bad. I must have just got 3 bad pieces. Maybe this one will be better. Oh! I must be a sucker for punishment. The fly just came in, took one look, and he took off again. Man, this pizza is atrocious. But it would have been good if it didn't have the Frank hot sauce on it, and I'm a big Frank hot sauce fan. But on this, mate, it, for me, totally destroyed this pizza to the point that, well, one piece was enough. My all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the sweet and saucy pizza. I don't know what's sweet about it. The flies don't even like it, so it can't be that sweet. But I think this pizza deserves a... I don't want to. 1 out of 10. Mate, I don't know what they're serving in the water up there in Innisfail, but obviously it's something that destroys your taste buds because this is inedible. It's horrible. Tastes like crap. Looked alright, but oh mate. I think this is one of those pizzas you're going to have to try for yourself because it's either something wrong with my taste buds or it's something wrong with everyone else's. But my taste buds are usually spot on. Well, that's if you're a sucker for punishment. Yeah, go and whip in and try one. For me, well, I've bought it. Might as well eat it. Anyway, I might head down the beach and see if there's a starving seagull that's just desperate for anything. And they might get the rest of this pizza. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review